Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Plants, Crochet, Cooking and more. Morning hours are the rush hours as I have Tiffin to prepare for my daughter. So let's start off immediately. I'm going to make pasta for her today. So first I'm going to heat some oil in the karai, and when it's heated up, I'm going to crackle some cumin seeds into it till it changes its color and gives out an aromatic fragrance. Next goes in the minced garlic. This imparts a very wonderful flavor to this pasta. Since I'm making veg pasta, garlic imparts a good flavor to this. Followed by the chopped onion. The measurements for all these ingredients will be at the end of the video. You all must be knowing this by now. Now give everything a good stir. Don't brown it. See that it turns a little transparent. In goes the chopped carrots, beans, and here you can put in any vegetables that you have. I have added carrot, beans and green peas, but you can add capsicum as well into this one and cauliflower. As you must have seen that the quantity that I have used here is quite less, but make sure that you add a lot of these vegetables. The exact amounts that is actually to be added in this recipe is at the end of this video, so please follow that when you make this recipe. Add in a little bit of salt just to hasten up this cooking process. Give it a stir and then cover it so that it cooks a little. Say for about 2 to 3 minutes, not more than that. That'll be enough. Now, while that is getting cooked, I've quickly chopped the tomato, and then next I'm going to add in the cut tomato. Keep stirring and frying this tomato so that it turns a little pulpy. And then I'm going to add a sachet of tomato ketchup. Now, if you don't have this, you can omit it, but I'm sure every household has tomato ketchup. So if this is added, it enhances the taste of this pasta, so I prefer adding the tomato ketchup. Now I'm going to quickly put in the spices. First is the red chili powder. Then goes the coriander powder. And then finally the garam masala powder. Give this a good stir. And then I'm going to add the kasuri methi, fenugreek leaves. Just crush it before you add them. And then you give this a good stir. A beautiful fragrance will already be imparted when you start stirring this at this moment. Now time to add in the salt. This is totally up to you. If you have added some salt while boiling the pasta, then make sure that you add less salt right now. You can check it later and add later if required. Then finally you add in the boiled pasta or the macaroni. Stir everything up well, and then finally you will add the coriander leaves, that is the dhania patta, the chopped coriander leaves on top, and stir it once again. And your tiffin recipe is ready. It is a very tasty recipe. It's a tasty dish. My daughter loves it. That is one of her favorite pasta. You can give it a try. A tiffin recipe for your kids, easy to make. Get your vegetables ready the night before, and it won't take much time for you to prepare this recipe. Let me know in the comment section whether you liked it or not. And here I'll start packing it. the vegetable pasta. And then for her tiffin, I gave her some dry fruits. For the dry fruits, I have included dates, raisins, almond and walnuts. That's all. And another tip is that on top of this veg pasta, you can even drizzle a little bit of mayonnaise if your child likes it. And here the tiffin box is completely packed, ready to go into a school bag. I hope you liked this video and it will be helpful to you. Do give it a try. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Please do like, comment and share and subscribe to our channel. This is the ingredients list. See you soon in the next video. Bye bye.